What's up guys, Danny here, back with another video, and today I will be doing mechanical keyboard versus membrane keyboard. So yeah, first I'm going to start with the mechanical keyboards. Alright guys, I have my mechanical keyboard. This is the keyboard that I type on. It's RK61, Royal Clutch, brown switches, and yeah, let's just type with this. Alright, I'm gonna try that. Ooh, not bad. That was actually pretty good. Now I have the membrane keyboard. This one is a wireless, simple keyboard. So yeah, let's get right into it. Saw the membrane keyboard, and you guys could probably tell which one I'm using a membrane keyboard because of the sound of the keyboard. So ready, set, go. Oh my god, I'm already really bad. Hold on. I'm not used to this. $99? Oh wow, I didn't even get 100. But guys, this can be in the video. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what keyboard you have as long as the most comfortable keyboard. I'm mostly comfortable with like mechanical keyboards, but yeah guys, this is gonna be in the video.